Ever wonder why some apps feel slow even when your internet is fast? Today, we're starting a new topic that solves that: queues. When a user performs an action, like placing an order, the application often has several tasks to complete before everything is finished. If the application processes every task immediately, users may experience slower response times and unnecessary waiting. Laravel solves this problem using queues. Instead of doing everything right away, time-consuming tasks are placed in a queue to be processed later. A queue worker continuously processes these background tasks, allowing the application to remain fast and responsive. This means users receive a faster response, while Laravel completes the remaining work behind the scenes. In short, queues help Laravel move time-consuming tasks into the background, improving performance and creating a better experience for your users.